everyone, this is a tutorial on how to edit the boarding pass themed video invitation in our Etsy shop. We have these invitations for weddings, birthdays, bachelorettes, and more, and this tutorial will apply to all of these boarding pass invitations. First of all, if you have one of the invitations with an envelope animation at the beginning, we recommend not to adjust this animation on the first 2 pages and just start your edits from page 3. If you want to see how everything flows together, you can press this play button and you can see that we have adjusted the envelope animation to flow seamlessly. In mind, we will start our edits from the boarding pass page shown here. So first, what you'll want to do is edit any personalization that you may have, which includes your names, dates, locations, etc. And you can do this just by highlighting the text that you want to change and then typing in your new text. You can adjust the text with these end bars and then use the corner to make it smaller and drag it where you'd like it to be. You can also adjust the font using this font button at the top, and you can select some of the other fonts that Canva offers. Please keep in mind that if it has this crown symbol, that is a premium font and you'll have to pay for that when you download the template. The template as it is completely free to use, edit, and download. So if you want to use the default font, you can do so completely for free, or you can use any of these other fonts that do not have the crown symbol for free as well. You can also edit the font size up here by adjusting the font size or using the corner dragger as I just showed you. And lastly, you can edit the text color to any of these other colors, or use the color bar shown here to select any color that you would like to use. Then you can also adjust the color of the map and header on this file. Some of our files have a gold map and gold header. Those ones cannot be adjusted since those are fixed gold images, which is perfect for a gold theme. But if you have one of these that is editable, you can edit the color by going again into this color bar over here, and you can mess around and change it to any color that you would like to use. Next, you'll probably want to move this marker to wherever you're having your event. So for example, if you're having your event in New York, you can move the marker here and rotate the plane so that it is pointing the correct direction and move it closer. And then you can also adjust the plane path. In this case, we're going to use the flip and flip horizontally since we moved the marker to the opposite side of the map. So now everything is flowing in this direction. Another thing to note for the plane and the plane path is I have added a special animation so it makes it look like they are flying towards your destination. If you change the orientation of your plane and plane path like we just did from the west side of the map to the east side of the map, you can adjust the direction that that pan is pointing by selecting those 2 elements and selecting this direction so it looks like those are flowing towards our new location marker. You can also completely adjust the animation for the page, which would include the plane and the plane path by selecting the page at the bottom and then hitting this rise button, and you can test out different animations that you like. I personally like the rise animation. I think it's nice and clean, but you can do any animation that you want to use. With this, then, you also have the option to add a photo onto this last page here. You can add a photo by dragging and dropping any photo that you want to use. This will bring in an upload section and it will drop it into the upload section here. Once it's uploaded, you can simply just drag it and drop it onto the screen and then double click the photo and you can adjust or enlarge the photo however you like so that it fits in the frame as you would like it to. So we'll adjust it like this, and then your photo will be uploaded. One other fun feature of these video invitations is you can also add music So similar to adding a photo, you can add music by dragging it and dropping it onto the page, and it will add it to the upload section under this audio here. And then you will drag it and drop it onto the screen and put it into this drop music bar. Once it's uploaded, you can again double click it to move the music left or right, and then once you're happy with it, you can hit this play button to see how it all sounds together. That is just a sample of how to add music. There's also some music on the Canva Elements section. Again, if you're adding any elements from Canva, please keep in mind if they have the crown symbol, that means those are premium elements and you'll have to pay for them when you download. Lastly, I want to note is you can also adjust the duration of each page by selecting the slide and then selecting this time at the top. So, for example, you can make it longer, you can make it shorter, etc., and apply that to all the pages, or just a single page. Once you're happy with your edits, you'll go to the share button, download as an MP4 file, and it will select all files automatically, and then you can download to either your computer or to your phone. If you have the Canva app, you can download this template directly to your phone and then send the video to your friends and family via text or email like you would share any other video file. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to message me on Etsy, and I'm happy to help. Thanks so much.